will receive this award, and I would like to request Ma'am Rosita again. Please come forward to award the plaque of most fabulous female, plaque of appreciation. We hereby express our sincere appreciation for turning the contest and receive this most fabulous female award. Yeah, even this 10th day of February, and please pay at the cashier. No, I'm just kidding. It's not there. Okay, ito po siya. Yan. Parampay pa. Pag nanalo na. Pag nanalo, parampay mo na. Kawawa naman yung talo, parampay mo pa. Okay, and the winner is, kayo na po, madam. Sabi, kayo naman po kasi ang nagpili dito para wala kami kinalaman dito. O, kami mamali ako, ha? Okay, the winner is, most fabulous female is,
goes to candidate number 1.
Candidate number 1! Kaya pala wala ka palang gano'n, laki! Nakakaloka ka, tuwa ka! Ang price mo bukod sa laki, maglilinis ka ng hotel! Itong pinagalaman nito, ito maglilinis! Congratulations, congratulations! And of course, the most fabulous male is...
Kung ano na, my last. The most fabulous male goes to the last number 8.
Kennedy! Woo! Kita mo na, ito freestanding na tayo. Kailangan gumamit ka ng flashlight, kahit ang halit, hindi mo makikita yan. Yan! Ang gawin mo si Kennedy, kailangan mo lang titigan. Okay, at mabango siya, ito lang nagtatrap yan. At mabango siya, mukha lang mabaho, ha? Pero mabango. Babagay kayo na.